Hello friends, welcome to World GK. In this video we are going to learn about Ramsar Convention. What is it all about? What are the aim and objective? Ramsar sites located in India and many more such things. So without further delaying, let's begin. The word Ramsar, at first it sounds as a name of a place in India. However, Ramsar is not located in India. It is a name of a city in Iran, where an international treaty was signed in 1971. It is about global conservation and sustainable use of wetlands. Though this treaty was signed on 2nd February 1971, it takes up to 4 years to be implemented. It came into force on 21st December 1975. There are 170 countries in the world which are part of Ramsar Convention. The world celebrates 2nd February as World Wetland Day every year. After joining Ramsar Convention, it is compulsory to each contracting country to designate at least one wetland site within their territory for list of wetlands of international importance, that is the Ramsar list. The countries which are part of Ramsar Convention are bound to fulfill the following criteria: wise use of all their wetlands. Wise use of wetlands means maintenance of ecological character through implementation of ecosystem approaching a sustainable development. The next criteria is designing sites for Ramsar list of wetlands of international importance, that is Ramsar sites, and the conservation of existing Ramsar sites. The countries should also work on international cooperation, sharing data and technology for the development, and work mutually on the international level for development and conservation of wetlands. There are about 2,400 Ramsar sites all around the world, which has area of about 2.5 million square kilometer. What is a wetland? Wetland is an ecosystem that is flooded by water either permanently or seasonally. A wetland is a place where land is covered by water or is present at or near the surface of soil all throughout the year. Wetlands have moisture all throughout the year. That means it is a home of aquatic plants, insects, amphibians, reptiles, birds, fish, mammals, and many microbial bacteria community. And that makes wetland most productive ecosystem in the world. Now let's see different types of wetlands. Wetlands are usually found in low-lying areas. They can be natural or man-made. They can be coastal or inland. Floodplains, swamp, marshes, mangroves, or delta. Freshwater wetlands are rivers, lakes, pools, floodplains, peatlands, marshes, and swamps. While saltwater wetlands are estuaries, mudflats, saltwater marshes, mangroves, lagoons, coral reefs, shellfish reefs. Apart from that, human-made wetlands are fish ponds, rice paddies, reservoirs, and salt plants which we use in agriculture and some for industrial purpose also. Wetlands can contain freshwater, saltwater, or brackish water, which is both fresh and salt water. Now, why should we care about wetlands? Now, you have to understand that wetlands are very important. They are important for human survival. They provide habitat for animals and plants and support wide diversity of life. They provide fresh water. Many species of birds and mammals rely on wetlands for fresh water, food, and shelter, especially during migration and breeding. Then, wetlands are like a sponge. They absorb pollutants and improve water quality by filtering out sedimentation, decomposing vegetative matter. It is also contribute to groundwater recharge. Wetlands such as mangroves also protect shores from any kind of flood by reducing intensity of flood and hence reducing its impact on biodiversity. Wetlands also reduces soil erosion and increases soil fertility. Wetlands also provide livelihood sources to humans in terms of agricultural produce, craft material, timber production, medicinal plants, fishing, hunting, etc. You can now think why it is so important to conserve wetlands. And that is why Ramsar Convention was introduced. Now, let us discuss some important facts about Ramsar Convention. First, wetland exists from a polar region to the tropic and from high altitude to dry region. The of wetland sites. The countries with the most sites are United Kingdom with 175 and Mexico with 142. These two countries came in Europe. Hence, Europe has maximum number of wetland sites. India became a member of Ramsar Convention in October 1981 and designated Chilka Lake, which is in Odisha, and Kelodio National Park, which is in Rajasthan, as its first two Ramsar sites. Bolivia has the largest area with 1,48,000 km square under Ramsar protection. The world's first Ramsar site was the Cobourg Peninsula in Australia, designated in 1974. Now, this is the map of Ramsar sites in India. So this is the list of Ramsar sites in India. This is the latest list. In this list, you are going to cover all 42 Ramsar sites till now. You should take screenshots and go through it. Here, we are going to discuss latest Ramsar sites which are included in the list of Ramsar sites. There is a Ramsar site in Punjab state, Nagal Wildlife Sanctuary, Keshopur wetland. There is in Uttar Pradesh also Sarai Nawal Jheel, and one in Maharashtra, Nandur Madhameshwar Bird Sanctuary. As you can see here, Chokar Wetland Complex in Ladakh declared on 17th November 2020 as a Ramsar site. It is the latest Ramsar site. Also, Sur Sarovar, this is in Uttar Pradesh. It is also latest Ramsar site in India. Here, Lonar Sarovar, that is Lonar Lake, which is in Maharashtra. Lonar Lake is also declared this year as a Ramsar site. Here is Asan Conservation Reserve, which is in Uttarakhand, and Kabartal Wetland, which is in Bihar. These two are also latest Ramsar sites in India. So these latest Ramsar sites can be asked in UPSC prelims examination. Be prepared. So this is all about today's lecture. Hope you have liked the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, write in the comment box, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.